Good morning, students. Under the institutional support to entrepreneurs, today we will discuss our next institute, that is District Industries Center, जिसे हम DIC भी बोलते हैं. DIC program was started in 1978. The objective of DIC is to provide integrated administrative framework at the district level for the promotion of small scale industries in rural areas. DICs are developed on the principle of single window interacting agency at the district level for the small scale industries. DICs are also known as implementing arm of the central and state governments, as various schemes and programs of central and state governments are carried out through these DICs only. Now we will discuss the functions of DIC as visible on your screen. फंक्शंस में फर्स्ट हमारा आता है कीप मॉडल प्रोजेक्ट्स प्रोफाइल. DICs प्रिपेयर मॉडल प्रोजेक्ट प्रोफाइल्स. जैसा कि आपने अपनी छोटी क्लासेस में देखा होगा, यू यूज टू डेवलप मॉडल्स इन डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स. सिमिलरली DIC बिजनेस से रिलेटेड मॉडल प्रोजेक्ट बनाता है एंड कीप दीज रेडी फॉर द रेफरेंस ऑफ द एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. Next function is implementation of the schemes. DIC prepare action plan with the purpose of effectively implementing the various schemes as run by the central and state government. Third function is undertake industrial potential survey. DIC undertake industrial potential survey and to identify the types of feasible ventures. Next is provide guidance to entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs को guidance provide किया जाता है in the matters related to selection of sources of supply, procedure for importing machineries, selecting appropriate machinery and equipment. Next is support in getting financial resources. इसमें गाइडेंस प्रोवाइड किया जाता है फॉर एप्रोप्रिएट लोन अमाउंट एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. नेक्स्ट इज असिस्टेंस इन प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. रिसोर्सेज लाइक लैंड, इक्विपमेंट एंड टूल्स, फर्नीचर्स एंड फिक्सर्स. नेक्स्ट अप्रेजल ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स. DIC appraise the worthiness of project proposal received from various entrepreneurs. Next, help in obtaining licenses. DIC help the entrepreneurs in obtaining required licenses, permits and various clearances from the government departments. Next, assist in marketing. DIC assists the entrepreneurs in marketing their products and services and access the possibility of ancillarization and compete with the large scale industries. Next, conduct product development work. DIC conduct product development work which is suitable for the small scale industries. Next, it helps in clarifying the doubts related to operation of bank accounts, submission of returns, and the quarterly, annual, and monthly returns to government departments. Next, conduct training program. DIC conduct various training program as and when required by small scale industries. Next, act as the nodal agency. DIC act as the nodal agency for the implementation of Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana. Next, function as the technical consultant. DICs act as technical consultant in many programs run by the government. Next and last is help the specialized training organization. DIC help the different training organizations in smooth conduct of EDPs, that is Entrepreneur Development Program. So these were the functions of DIC. Thank you.